The Panasonic Lumix DC LX100 II is a 17 megapixel enthusiast zoom compact camera with a 24-75mm equivalent f1.7 to 2.8 lens. It uses up to around 85% of the area of a 4/3 sensor to give a choice of aspect ratios without narrowing the field of view. The LX100 II uses the same Leica DC lens as the original LX100. It also shares the same design, including dials for shutter speed and exposure compensation, plus a ring for adjusting the aperture. A custom control ring can also be found around the lens. The LX100 II has a 1.24 million dot touchscreen LCD on the rear, and also features a 2.76 million dot equivalent electronic viewfinder. It can shoot continuously at 5.5 frames per second with continuous autofocus, or 11 frames per second with AE and AF locked.